This is not just a car, it is a symbol of extreme wealth, engineering perfection, and modern luxury. The Bugatti Chiron is one of the most exclusive hypercars ever created, and today we are exploring what truly makes it so special. Only a very small number of people in the world will ever own one, and even fewer can fully understand what goes into building a machine like this. This is the Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron was designed with one goal in mind: to redefine what a luxury hypercar can be. From the outside, it looks aggressive, elegant, and timeless. Every curve is intentional. Every line is designed to balance beauty and performance. The iconic Bugatti C-shaped line on the side is not just design, it helps guide air directly into the massive engine. And that engine is where things become truly unbelievable. The Bugatti Chiron is powered by an 8-liter quad-turbocharged V16 engine. Yes, 16 cylinders. This engine produces nearly 1,500 horsepower. That is more power than most race cars, and yet the Chiron is fully legal for the road. But this car is not just about speed, it is about doing everything at the highest possible level. Inside the cabin, the Chiron feels more like a private jet than a car. Every surface is covered in hand-stitched leather. The aluminum parts are solid metal, not plastic. The carbon fiber is polished and perfectly aligned. Even the smallest details are built to feel expensive. There are no unnecessary buttons. The interior is clean, minimal, and focused. At the center, a single aluminum spine runs through the cabin. It is both structural and decorative, and it takes weeks to manufacture by hand. Bugatti does not rush perfection. Now, let's talk about exclusivity. Bugatti limited the production of the Chiron to only 500 units worldwide. Once they were sold, that was it. No more. No second chance. Each car is built almost entirely by hand in France. From start to finish, it can take several months to complete just one vehicle. And customization is where the price truly begins to rise. Buyers can choose from countless leather colors, stitching styles, carbon finishes, and unique materials. Some owners even request one-of-one paint colors. This level of personalization means that no two Chirons are exactly the same. The base price of a Bugatti Chiron starts at over $3 million, but most owners pay far more. With custom options, taxes, and delivery, some Chirons have reached prices well above $4 million, and that's before maintenance. Here is one of the most shocking facts. Each tire on the Bugatti Chiron costs over $40,000, and they must be replaced every few years, even if the car is barely driven. A full set of wheels can cost more than a brand new luxury sedan. Even a simple oil change costs tens of thousands of dollars. Luxury at this level has no compromises. But why does Bugatti go to such extremes? Because the Chiron is not meant to be practical. It is meant to be perfect. At high speeds, the car actively adjusts its suspension, aerodynamics, and ride height. Everything is controlled by advanced computers working in real time. At top speed, the Chiron generates massive downforce to stay stable. This is engineering at its absolute limit. The Chiron can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, and it can continue pushing far beyond that. In controlled conditions, special versions of the Chiron have reached speeds above 300 miles per hour. Very few cars in history have ever done that. But despite all this power, the ride remains surprisingly smooth. You can drive a Chiron slowly through the city in complete comfort. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly. The cabin stays quiet and refined. This balance between brutality and elegance is what defines Bugatti. Ownership of a Chiron is more than owning a car. It is membership in an extremely private club. Bugatti personally selects buyers. You cannot simply walk into a showroom and buy one. Many owners already have collections filled with Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Rolls-Royces. The Chiron sits at the very top of that hierarchy. Some owners barely drive their cars. Others take them to exclusive events around the world. Either way, the Chiron is often stored in climate-controlled garages, treated more like fine art than transportation. And in many cases, it continues to increase in value. Today, the Bugatti Chiron represents the end of an era. As the automotive world moves towards electrification, cars like this will never exist again. A 16-cylinder engine of this size and complexity may never be built in the same way. That makes the Chiron not just a hypercar, but a historical artifact. It is a celebration of excess, of craftsmanship, of engineering without limits. And for those who can afford it, the Bugatti Chiron is not just transportation, it is a statement. So here's the question: if money was not a problem, would you own a Bugatti Chiron? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the world of luxury cars and extreme machines, subscribe for more exclusive stories like this.